guys. So I just got my email saying that my package is here, and I cannot believe how this package came out. I'm kind of low-key pissed a little bit. All right, the box is here, right? This is how it was on my front porch, just like this, right? Well, damn, like what? The box is open, it's like barely taped. Look at this. Like, bro, who in the world shipped this? Like, it's not even taped closed, bro. Like, bro, if I lost some parts, because they can't ship their boxes, bro, I'm gonna be mad. Like, real mad, bro. Look at this. A hole in the box. It's not even a hole, it's like torn, bro. No more, never again. I'm glad this is like temporary. But let's pull it out, see what it looks like. Let me get all this laid out, and then I'll come back. Alright, so I got everything laid out. As you can see, the head, this is the actual cat pipe part or whatever. It doesn't look that bad with the welds. The reviews I read all say the same thing. This pipe is obviously bigger than this, but that's the only thing that I saw bad about the exhaust. But I mean, it looks good. I mean, I actually can't wait to hear how it sounds. But I'm gonna throw this together right quick, and then see how it looks all together. Well, I lied. Only thing I did was put the little bong bolts in, but I mean, I can't really put it together because for some reason it didn't. You know, you got the hook right here, then it hooks to the spring to another little hook or whatever. It doesn't have the hook, so yeah, I'm gonna have to weld that on there. But whatever, I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump to installing this on the bike and getting it ready. So see you guys then. Stay tuned. So we have Dale's bike, beautiful R1, and he has the HP Course exhaust. And then we have Raven over here, and you see she still has her stock exhaust on, which is what we're going to be removing today. And then we have the other exhaust right here, already put together. So all you gotta do is just slap it on. But since Dale's helping us out, he can kind of tell us what all we gotta go ahead and take off, what needs to come off, what doesn't need to come off. So where are we starting at, Dale?
First and foremost, you gotta take off everything from the watt pipe. That fat ass cat gotta come off.
Yeah, y'all, that cat like is gonna be like 20 pounds by itself.
Then we gotta disconnect your baffle wires, and you can decide to cut them or leave them inside. You can roll them up, leave them inside, but if you're gonna get it tuned, they can get the check engine light taken off, and you can just take out that whole box and save you probably about half a pound.
So I don't know. We might we'll probably just take them out from the box, because you can take them off from the box, right?
I don't remember. I think they connected inside the box.
Okay.
Because most people, you have to take the entire box off. When I cut mine off the last time, I think they're actually connected inside the box. You have to go in the box to actually get it off.
Okay. So how long would you say this job will take?
Maybe half hour, 40 minutes.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna sit you guys down, and I'm gonna get started. Let's go. Bro, y'all look at this. This thing is huge, bro. Jeez. So this thing is about, bro, this thing is about 20 pounds. 20 pounds, bro. And then you got this. Look at that. All right, now we got that big old thing off. This is the next thing to go on. This is, y'all, this is like 3 pounds at the most. Dale, what you think this is?
3 to 4.
Now pick that up and tell me what you think it is.
All together, this alone is 16 pounds.
16?
16.7 or 16.9 when I took mine off. With the whole can on it, it's probably close to that 20.
That's what I'm saying. It gotta be at least 20 pounds.
Or it could be a little bit different. I don't know if they use a different cat for the 17s over the 16. Because mine was 16. I don't even think it felt that heavy.
So that's how I should look without it in the exhaust, guys.
You want to crank it up like that?
Oh no. I'll let you two people have that one. So if you want to hear how it sounds with like no pipe at all, yeah, y'all gonna have to go look for another video on that one. But yeah, so we're gonna throw on this little pipe right here, and then we'll get back with you. All right, so we got the exhaust on. It mounted up pretty well, and it looks really good. Now that big old 20-pound can is gone, but it was good. I like it. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But we also got my boy Dale's bike beside me. My bike hasn't been started, neither has his, so we're gonna do a cold start on both. And you guys can let me know which one you guys think sounds best in the comments. So again, he has the HP course exhaust. You guys can see that. And his is starting to already turn at the bottom. The beautiful colors. So let's get it started. So we got Dale's bike. Check out the keychain. If you want one, hit up Mobzilla. We're in neutral. was the HP course again. It is not a full system. It is a three-quarter system. So for you guys that was asking, that's what it is. So now on to Raven. Again, keychain. First started with the exhaust. Okay, so in conclusion, what do you guys think? Let me know which one you guys think is louder. Honestly, I think Dale still has it. His sounds a lot deeper, and mine has like a lighter sound to it. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick it up on camera or not, but that's what it sounds like to me. You guys let me know what y'all think in the comments. But yeah, she has an exhaust, well, a temporary exhaust for right now, just to get some sound to her. But I like it. So now we should see what she sounds like on the streets. Can y'all hear that? This thing is loud. It's like another level of loud. Like, listen.